Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not working on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to delete our fingerprint. So open up settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy. Go to device unlock, and here we're going to tap on our fingerprint. Here we need to enter our PIN, so let me just enter it. Click on the button to continue, and here we have our fingerprints. So we want to click on the trash icon, click on delete, and now they're gone. We're going to click on add fingerprint right here. And now what we need to do, we need to touch and hold the sensor. So we have to redo the entire stuff. As you guys can see, it might be a bit hard for me because I have a strong screen protector. So I'll just see you guys once I'm on the final step, which is basically just ending the clicking right here. So as you guys can see, the final one, we got our fingerprint added. We're gonna click done, and now let's check if it works. So as you guys can see, it tells me to do it gently, so we want to press it firmly. As you guys can see, we unlocked it with our fingerprint. So that's how you guys can do it. Now what are we gonna do is basically remove our screen protector if we cannot do it. So I did it barely, but my screen protector is definitely thick here, and that is why it took me so long. Normally it shouldn't take less than a minute. Of course, if you have a wet or cold fingertip, then that's also an issue, and you definitely don't want it. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over into system, go to software updates, and click on system update. Here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version so that you don't have any old glitches on your new device. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.